This is the wire lift truck. It's a training aid to help you teach your forklift students how to understand stability principles. Now, first of all, what we have here is the center of gravity of the forklift, and that's represented by the weight, and then we have the stability triangle. And as long as this weight stays, or the center of gravity stays within the triangle, the truck is stable and can perform its job. Now, we have to show them principles of what causes it to tip over. First of all, we have a stability triangle that's formed here, mainly because these wheels pivot, and that's something that they have to clearly understand. It's not a 4-point stability, it's a 3-point. Now, down here the truck is stable, but as we lift the forks, you can clearly teach them that there's very little room now for this center of gravity to travel, because if it were to come out, for example, if he's driving along and he stops quickly, the truck will tip forward. Or if he's got the load lifted up high and he turns quickly, it could cause the truck to tip over. So that's why you should always travel with your forks down low, because you have more room for your center of gravity to move. Now, when we have the forks up high, you can also teach them that as you tilt the mass forward, you're also moving your center of gravity forward, in which case, if you moved it too far forward with the load, forward it goes. Conversely, even if you had like a high lift mast and you tilted it back, you could get the same result. You could actually cause a very dangerous system. All they have to do is just turn a bit and the whole truck can go over. So this is some of the basic principles that the wire lift truck has. And it's one good thing is they can put their hands on it and they can play different scenarios. You can put loads on the forks just to kind of represent different scenarios that your forklifts have to operate on a daily basis. The one thing you should mainly know is that the number one reason why what causes the death of a forklift operator is a tip-over situation. And that is why the wire forklift is such a great training aid to help them understand what keeps a forklift stable.